Welcome to Gardening in 60 Seconds. If you're anything like me, you probably put your tomatoes in the ground too early and the frost is coming for them tonight. Luckily, there are a lot of things you can do to protect your tender plants. If you got a big old tarp, you could use this to cover up your plants. You want to cover your plants in about the mid-afternoon so that you're trapping in the heat from the day. Some people don't recommend plastic at all for various and sundry reasons, which I'm sure makes sense to them. A better option is to use an old bed sheet. Use rocks to hold down the sheeting on your raised bed. Another option, if you still have your planting containers around, is just to put one of these over the plant. If you don't have a bunch of old containers laying around, cut the bottom off of an old jug and use that. Another great option is something called a heat sink. Fill old jugs with water and place them in your garden during the day. The water will heat up throughout the day and then slowly release the heat at night. Another tool for protecting against frost is mulch. This has been Gardening in 60 Seconds. Thanks for watching and good luck fighting Old Man Winter. Are you filming this?